So what I will so see what I'm going to do here. So this is the important step which I'm going. So I think everybody is joining here. So I'll write. I'm breaking into two parts. So I'll write. I'll putting the row terms, the constant term outside. I'll write here row not. I'll break into two parts. 0 to infinite. 2e. I have to remove mod because now no because mod will indicate only the positive sign. So I'll write here dx. For the second part, I'll do the same thing. I'll put here 2e minus y dy. For the third part, I'll do the same thing. I'll put here 2e minus z dz. So these things I've done. So now, so what I'll do? So these these are constant terms. So what I'll write here, 8 rho naught is already there, and after that I needed to integrate this. So if you do the integration of this, you'll find e to the power minus x, and minus x integration will be minus 1 only. So I'll write here 0 to infinite. So for the second part, I'll do the same thing. I'll write here e minus y minus 1, and I'll write here 0 to infinite. And for the third part, what I'll write here? For the third part, same thing, e to power minus z upon minus 1, and from the integration will be from 0 to infinite. So if you solve this all value, if you put 0 and infinite here, you'll get here 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, and therefore 0 plus 1, if you multiply, we will get 1 only. So what will the value of q? Value of q will be 8 rho naught. So this will be the value of q. So if any problem is there, you can ask me. So in this question, if any problem is there, you can ask me. Please write the question, and if in solving, if you are facing any kind of difficulty, please ask me. So all those questions which I am solving here, this will be very important for your end semester paper because they will ask any kind of numerical. So I'm solving this much of numericals so that will be aware of how any numerical will be there. You can find it. You can solve it. So for that case, I'm solving all those numerical. If you're having any kind of issues in this question, you can ask me at any time. So should I remove it? If you're facing any difficulty, please tell me. Please tell what to do. Should I remove it and write one more question? Have you written it? Okay, so we are moving to one more question that is based on spare. And after that, this topic is finished with you. One more question. Please tell Amisa. Amisa, any question is there? Please tell. हाँ बोलिए. Yes, Amisa, I am here. I'm hearing you. Please tell. What is the problem? Means, you wanted to ask
हेलो
something.
हेलो सर
You wanted to ask something.
सर इसका एक एग्जांपल और चाहिए.
हाँ, एक एग्जांपल और करा देते हैं. बिल्कुल, एक और करा देते हैं. So, so the other problem was there depends on the volume was there, volume charge density was moving there, and they had asked you. So now in this question, I will deal in the spare. So I'll write here the spherical volume charge is given by rho v equal to rho v naught 1 minus r square by a square, and for this limit is r less than a, and for second term it is 0, and for the limit is r greater than a. What they are asking you to calculate the total charge q. So see, this was a problem. So whenever you get the problem based on line charge, surface charge, just apply the formula. So what formula we have learned, that Q equal to rho V into D. Acha, if anybody has any idea in this question, can anybody suggest me what to do after this step? Okay, so moving on, I will, for one thing you needed to remember for spare case, that for spare case the radius will be always r square sine theta. So one problem we have solved in the last class, there also I've written r square directly. So there also I've told you, in the wherever you will see this spare, always apply this r square sine theta into dr d theta d phi. So when we are dealing with the volume charge density, what we have written there? We have written there dx, dy, dz. And when we are in the last problem, when we are dealing with the cylindrical problem, what I have written here? D rho, d phi, dz. But in this pair case, what I'm writing here? dr, d phi, d theta, d phi. So like this problem I have done earlier also in the in the previous sessions. So now you need to apply the limit. So what you will do? So I'll apply all those limit. So first limit is of first limit I'll apply from 0 to a. So if you'll see, it is varying from a. Second will be for theta, it will be 0 to pi. For phi, it will be 0 to 2 pi. That we have discussed in the last session only. So for spare, you should aware of this thing. And I'll write here rho v0 upon 1 minus r square by a square into r square sine theta dr d theta d phi. I'll write this. And this 0 to pi, for spare, you always remember this, that theta varies from 0 to pi, and phi varies from 0 to 2 pi. So always remember these things. If you'll remember these things, you'll know how to put those limits. So after this, I'll just substitute the values here. I'll write here rho y0 upon. So if I'll do integration of this, what I will write here, integration of this, I'll write here 1 into 0 to 2 pi phi integration. Now theta minus cos theta integration 0 to r. Third term will be r cube upon 3 minus r to the power 5 upon 5a square, and that limit will be from 0 to a. All those limit which I'm putting, which I have solved. Now what I can do, I'll write here rho v0 2 pi 2, and if you substitute a here, what you'll get? A cube by 3 minus a cube by 5. So after solving this, you'll get 4 pi rho v0 on 2 by 15 into a cube. And the final answer, if you solve this, you will get 8 pi by 15 into rho v0 a cube. So write this question and tell me in which case you are finding difficulties, in which step you are finding difficulties. This is all integration of, after this all integration is there. Only you need to remember that theta is varying from 0 to pi and phi is varying from 0 to 2 pi, and just put that limit, apply integration, solve the integration, you'll get value. So please see this question and tell me in which case you are finding difficulties. So I have solved, I think, 5 or 6 problem in which they are finding a total charge, if it is constant, if the charge is constant, or if they are finding at a certain position, like that r is varying, either r is less than a or r is greater than a. So all the 5 times of problem, 5 or 6 problem which I have solved here, they are very important. If you just do the homework and try to solve it at your home from yourself only, read that problem, read the solution, and apply your concept, you will face no difficulties there. Please see and tell me if any issue is there, if any difficulties is there. Please, no doubt. And others, So one thing I wanted to ask you, are you really understanding EMFT? Are you getting the feel of this subject? Or if somebody is facing any kind of issues, means any kind of issue that ये समझ में नहीं आया, ये कैसे हुआ, so please be open and ask at any time. ऐसा डाउट नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू टीच यू इन ए सिंपल वे कि थोड़ा ही पढ़ेंगे लेकिन अच्छा पढ़ेंगे. एंड आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू टीच यू इन ए न्यूमेरिकल वे बिकॉज numerical is the best thing to get anything. If you understand any numerical, you can understand the concept why concepts are made to be applied on numericals. अगर कंसेप्ट क्यों बनाया जाता था कि आप न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व कर ले, तो आई जस्ट वांटेड आई सॉल्व मोर न्यूमेरिकल्स. when I was studying in when I was preparing for gate, I just used to solve so many of questions. केवल क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करता था मैं, 10 साल का पेपर डाउनलोड करके रखता था और आई यूज टू सॉल्व दोज क्वेश्चन. वट एवर टॉपिक आई हैड फिनिश्ड, आई ऑलवेज यूज टू सॉल्व दोज क्वेश्चन. एंड यू विल नॉट बिलीव आई हैड ऑलरेडी only I had prepared for 3 months for gates. So I was doing job also in Delhi and I was preparing for, I had joined the weekend class, and that in that weekend class we used to go by for 8 to 5. So I was there in the class for 8 to 5. So for 2 days only we used to attend the class. For Monday to Friday I used to do the job, and I was placed in a SCL company, so I used to do the job there. And for gate I used to I go for the weekend class only. So and I used to solve more and more problem. So if you'll see the gate स्कोर कार्ड, देखिए मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, अपना बड़ा ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ, यही कुछ नहीं कर रहा हूँ. यहाँ पे जितने लोग आए हैं सबसे अच्छा स्कोर कार्ड मेरा है, अब अगर आप पता करेंगे तो. और ये मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि यू कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट बिकॉज नथिंग इज टफ. if you can make your mind, you can do it easily. So so in 3 months of preparation, if I can do, then you have a hell lot of time, so you can do it you can easily do it. And I think you are more sharper than me also, because now today's generation is means more active. They are बहुत भूखे हैं वो लोग हर चीज के लिए. They wanted to study, they wanted to do the things. So you just try the thing, जो भी आपको सब्जेक्ट पसंद आ रहा है, wherever your interest is, give your best. Never try to do time pass. If you are studying for 5 minutes, study for 5 minutes only, but give your efforts for 5 minutes. Never waste your time, because this time will not come back. See, this year is going to pass like this only. So but in the future nobody will care that whether corona is there, whether it is not there, whether college is not going on. They will see that how much you have scored, how much you are knowledgeable. If I am owning a company, I'll give those job to those guys who are good at it. Why I will give the jobs to those guys, मतलब जिनको काम करने आता ही नहीं, उनको मैं पैसा क्यों दूँ, आप बताइए. So you should be, ये चीजें always try to live in a practical area, means never get imagined. Imagination में नहीं रहना है हमें, हमको. One for you I'll tell you one, क्या बोलते ये वन शायरी आई फॉर यू टेल. ख्वाबों की रोशनी को हकीकत में डालिए, क्या हुआ जो गिर पड़े फिर खुद को संभालिए. डोंट नीड टू लिव इन इमेजिनेशन. ख्वाबों की रोशनी को अब हकीकत में लाने का समय आ गया है. नाउ यू आर इन थर्ड ईयर already. You had passed for you were studying for 2 year. It will no matter कि ये ब्रांच अच्छा है, ये अच्छा है या वो अच्छा है, सब अच्छा है. Everything is good. I am also from electronics background. I had completed my BTech in 2014. I got job there. After that I went for gate preparation. I had cracked gate. I had scored good gate score there. After that I was in NIT Surathkal. I had completed my MTech from NIT Surathkal. I had done internship in Intel company, if you are aware of Intel. So I had done internship for Intel 11 month. I had done job in Qualcomm. So if some people are telling you, if some people are scaring you that electronics is not good, they are making you fool. Everything is good. It depends on you that how you can do it. So I see a lot of hope in electronics, because if you wanted to go for higher studies, if you wanted to for a government job, anything you want, you can get in electronics, but not in other branches. I don't think so. So your branch is very good. You are having a good teachers also, I hope. So you have so much of time, you have so much of videos to watch. You can watch YouTube videos, whatever topic you are feeling difficulties, you can write in YouTube. get so much of videos. So make a proper timetable what you wanted to do in your life, because this is third year, and after 1 year, 1.5 year, you will complete your BTech. So nobody will ask you that what you have done in your BTech. They will ask you whether you have job or not. So be attend, and time will pass very quickly. So you will not think also 2 months have passed. So like this, time will not never stop. So try to try to walk within with time. So never इतना पीछे मत हो जाइए कि फिर आगे होने में दिक्कत हो, और ऐसा मेहनत आज से ही करेंगे तो आदत बन जाएगा. यू हैव टू मेक योर हैबिट गुड. So whatever you like, whichever subject you like, give your 100% to that. Nobody is asking you to learn everything. So much of time is there. Don't think that every time classes is going on. So you can watch videos, you can make a certain timetable that what I am going to do in my life. So you should be prepared for that, and according to that you needed to make a timetable and be and do the hard work based on that. So what I will do in the future, in the coming future, either I will go for private sector or I'll go for government sector. Whatever you want, make a timetable. इंटरनेट पे सर्च करिए इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है, कैसे करना पड़ता है, आज से ही आदत डालिए. जब व्हेन यू विल रीच इन फाइनल ईयर, उतना प्रेशर रहेगा उस टाइम की इतना समय नहीं मिलेगा. जो अभी समय है वो वापस नहीं आएगा. आज अभी का समय सबसे बढ़िया है. कॉलेज भी नहीं आना है, घर बैठे रहना है, हेडफोन लगा के मोबाइल खोल के वीडियो सुन लेना है बस. बहुत लोग तो ये भी होते हैं, म्यूट कर दिया, आवाज बंद कर दिए, चले गए काम कर रहे हैं अपना, एंड दे थिंक दैट दे आर वेरी कूल. दे आर इडियट, दे आर फूल, दे आर नॉट कूल. सो दे आर वेस्टिंग देयर पेरेंट्स मनी. कम से कम वीडियो तो देखो. जो टीचर ले रहा है, थोड़ा एफर्ट दे रहा है, उनको तो उनसे तो पढ़ो कम से कम. सो ऑलवेज यूटिलाइज द टाइम, बिकॉज हर चीज समय, सब सब चीज अपना जवाब लेता है. समय भी अपना जवाब लेगा. अगर आज आप समय खराब करेंगे तो नेक्स्ट टाइम दिस मच ऑफ टाइम विल बी नॉट विथ यू. So, so our and one more thing is your strength is very less, so that is good for you. So less strength is, I think, very good. I had done my BTech from NIT Arunachal Pradesh. I was from first batch. BTech was from NIT Arunachal, and from my electronics batch only 30 people are there. So 30 strength of 30 was only there. So it was good for me, and everybody is doing good in their life. So you are also good. You are knowing personally everybody, and and you can make a timetable of it. If somebody is not taking class, that's fine. You can learn from internet also. You can learn some good thing also. So if something is not taught to you, never leave that thing. Try to learn by yourself only. I'm not telling that कि कोई नहीं पढ़ा रहा है तो वो सही है, वो बहुत गलत है. उनको पढ़ाना चाहिए, पर अगर कोई नहीं पढ़ा रहा है तो वो उनकी गलती है. आप उसके लिए आपको नहीं झेलना है. आपके पास और भी सुविधाएं हैं, उनका फायदा उठाइए आप लोग. और इतना टाइम है. You can go for aptitude, you can learn C programming. C programming is very important. If you can learn C programming, you can get job easily in IT sector. Learn two things, aptitude and C programming, because whenever you will go in any company, the first thing they will ask you aptitude. Based on your aptitude, they will shortlist you. Then after that, you will go to the interview round. All these things we have done. We were always practicing RD Verma. You have heard of RD Verma aptitude book. We have practiced it so many times ki whenever you will go in one site is there, I'll write for you. So please visit that site and do in a free time. Try to do that. I'll show you because if I have the luxury to show you. So one site is there. If you can see here, indiabricks.com. So you'll find hell lot of aptitude questions here: general aptitude, verbal reasoning, current affairs, GK, online test. You can start any of the test. You can give any of the test, C programming test. So see, everything is there with you in the internet. So see how you wanted to give aptitude. See, some timer will be there, so it will be already. So see, 30 minutes 20 question is there. So start this question and try to do it, and one timer will be already there. That will be. So let's say I'll start here. Let's say. So see, question is going on. So hell lot of time is there. You can hell lot of questions are there. So solve any question. See, so I've taken some solved paper. You can take any paper. So see, aptitude, logical, verbal, any type of question you wanted, engineering problem, and any type of question you wanted, you can see from here. C programming, and if you can solve this, you can solve anything. See, I'll show you one more thing. C programming, all those C programming questions are there in that. So C programming and aptitude is very important. And one more site is there, that is Gigs for Gigs. Whole Bangalore is dependent on this site. Gigs for Gigs. We have also done. I'll show you. You'll find all those problems in those C programming. If you wanted to read it from that, GATE 2021 paper, UGC net paper, quiz, company paper, anything if you wanted to take, you can take it from here. Everything is available here. So if you are having any kind of doubt in connecting in those sites, I will help you. I have already been there. So try to, हाथ पैर चलाने से होगा, अभी बैठे बैठे कोई आपको आके नौकरी नहीं देगा, और अभी ऐसा समय आ गया है कि आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. So this is Gigs for Gigs. Whole Bangalore is dependent on this. So two site I have told you. IndiaBix.com. One site is IndiaBix.com, that is for aptitude and C programming. Second is Gigs for Gigs. All the company papers which is related to electronics, IT, EC, all the companies paper, whichever company you think, IBM, Infosys, any company paper you'll find here. So try to solve that kind of paper. If you are having the free time, make your aptitude good, make your C programming good. If your aptitude will be good, you will be in any government sector job, wherever the electronic subject is not required, you can sit there. So four things are very important: aptitude, reasoning, data interpretation, and English. If you are good in all those things, you can get job easily in government sector. Any government sector you'll get job. So try to do. You have so much of time. Use that time. Do hard work, and definitely one day your hard work will be shown off. So, so am I clear to you all? Okay, so that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session whenever the class will be there. I'll inform you prior, and please try to do hard work. It will be good for you only. I will not get anything. I'm getting money from the college. I'm doing my job here, and after that, if it will be finished here, I'll go somewhere. I'll go Bangalore and I'll do my job here. But what I wanted from you, I have taught you. So I want you to be good in your life. So try to be good, and in any case, if you are facing any type of difficulties, any kind of difficulties, please tell me. I'll be there for you to help you at any time. कुछ भी हो, जॉब से रिलेटेड हो, पढ़ने से रिलेटेड हो, आप जरूर बताइए हमको. आई विल हेल्प यू. आई मैं इस चीज से गुजर चुका हूँ, मुझे पता है. मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, मेहनत किए बिना कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. So please try to do hard work, and we'll meet in the next session. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next session. Thank you, everyone.